Hey. Good day, everyone. Welcome, guys. Good morning. Happy Monday. How's it going, fellas? What a beautiful time out here. Hey. Thank you guys for joining. How are you today? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome, chat. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on, let's bring up the numbers. We're out here on a happy Monday with new products, with some great news, and just let's go ahead and share this video with all our friends and community members. Let's just go ahead and do it, guys. Come on. Pretty much everywhere. Especially, we have a lot to talk about today. Let's go. Come on, guys. Let all your friends know about. Let all the community members. Nasdaq is trading right below the 23,000. Hey, Forza. Good morning, everyone. How's it going? Thank you guys for joining. Ho, ho, ho. Morning, guys. Morning, everyone. Good morning, guys, especially with Ticktick Trader new product. Ticktick Trader has a new product. I'm gonna make a video about it today and explain you how does it work. As soon as I finish the live stream, I'm gonna make a video. They have a new straight to funded product. Straight to funded plus. Without consistency. I'm gonna send you the link for those of you that are not aware. Scramble with maximum discount, you can have access. I'm gonna put the link right there. They're allowing up to 10 accounts. And that's $245 per account. The payout is at 5%, guys. You have to do 0.5% for 10 days. 0.5% of the account size for 10 days. On 100K, that's $500 for 10 days in a row. Exactly, no consistency, but you need 10 days of 0.5% and you are having your profit score. Each day is one profit score, is 1 point. Each day of 0.5 is 1 point. You need 10 points, so you need 10 days of 0.5. You need 10 days of $500. That's what you need. And you're able to cash out. But I'm gonna share with you all the details in the video I'll be publishing on my website, on my YouTube channel, and we take it forward from there. It's very interesting. It's a total new concept, and it's pretty exciting. Today we're gonna trade my top 1 futures and Ticktick Trader accounts, and I'd like to get started with the top 1 futures, the ones we've been getting paid, and we actually trade right now the second payout cycle. Looking at the markets here, looks like we're looking for breaking out of this 23,000s again. This is not going to be too easy. We don't have that many news this week. 7th, nothing is scheduled. For the 8th, nothing. For the 9th, we have FOMC meeting minutes. And then for the 10th, we've got unemployment claims. This is with high impact scheduled. There's going to be a lot, of course, unscheduled from the president and from the current administration. We're kind of used to that. Good morning, fellas. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video. We've got 2 giveaways today. 2 massive giveaways. That's not good news. You've been shorting this movement to the upside from 950s. Certainly not the best. $245, I'm gonna have basically the promotion right there. I'm gonna pin the message in the chat. Great job, great job. We also got our accounts. I've purchased today 10 accounts. If you can see that, let me move my face away. Look at that, guys. We bought 10 accounts basically of the straight to funded plus Ticktick trader accounts. They're ready. And that's going to be very exciting. They're new accounts. I'm going to rename them and prepare. We just got them set up in a bundle of 10 accounts. This is the 10 accounts. It's $2,446, so it comes out at $245 per account. Beautiful. The payout basically is $2,000, but it has a split. It has 90 to 10. And even after that 90 has a split inside. I'm gonna make a video about it and explain you. 40% of that 90 goes to your live wallet, because this whole new program is for constructing your live balance, and 50%, the remaining one, is cashed out. Right, so out of 2,000, 1,000 is cash out, 800 goes into your live wallet. And once you reach minimum $10,000 in your live wallet, you take that 10,000 and you trade basically almost without limits. It's something very interesting. That's why I said there's a lot to discuss about it, and I'm going to make a specific video. Now, 20% consistency. Mr. Knife Art. 20%, the consistency is applied basically for your highest day. It has nothing to do with your original balance. Your consistency is applied to your highest profitable day, which should not worth more than 20% of your total profit. This is how consistency is calculated. Your highest profitable day should not worth more than 20% of your total profits. Such as, if your total profits are 10,000, then your highest day should not cross 20%. So that means your highest day should not be more than $2,000. Because 2,000 is actually 20% of the total profits you have. It has nothing to do with the original size, with the account size. Nothing to do with that. Your consistency only correlates with your highest day and total profit produced. Mr. Knife Art, I have a video for Top 1 Futures Consistency Hacked on my YouTube channel. You can watch that video and it actually explains you how you can maximize the consistency calculation.
Order filled.
Good day everyone, welcome guys, thank you so much. Make sure to like the video so we pick up the numbers and we get straight into the topic with the first long trade here on this minor pullback of 1 minute. If you blow the account before going to live, you have basically two separated wallets. The live balance, the live wallet is separated, right? So you can buy additional accounts and construct and build your live wallet, your live balance. That only comes in your hands when you get to the threshold of that wallet, and the threshold of that wallet, of live balance wallet basically, for the 100K is actually when you're dealing with multiple accounts. If you have multiple accounts, then it's $10,000 basically threshold. So in your live wallet, you need to have $10,000 before you can touch that into live, and you're moved to live with that 10,000. It's a bit complicated if I'm not explaining it from scratch to the end. It's a bit complicated. Just like this trade here, which is refusing. To follow the continuation we've been having so far. It's not looking good for me here. I might cut it away very, very soon. I don't like it. Good morning, guys. Good morning from Puerto Rico. Beautiful.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna cut it off very soon if we're not bouncing here. The short side is the winner so far here.
Order filled.
I basically sold 3 contracts, so I accepted a partial loss. Once we get into 88, I'm gonna have another exit. Thank you guys for joining. We've got the giveaway today, 2 accounts, the brand new Ticktick trader accounts as well. $50,000 on that. Good morning. It's a good reaction so far here. Sitting in 8 minis long.
Order filled.
Got a little extra exposure to this. I'm definitely looking forward for the previous double top to convert. This is basically the point I'm trading. So previous double top we had here. Looking forward, a tiny bounce is pretty much sufficient. I'm not really caring about hitting the 23,000s or anything like that, but a tiny bounce here for me is enough. Even if we go down afterwards to the daily opening, that would be enough for me all the way to the 90s. Not even that much actually.
Order filled.
DC8 once again here. Could be a temporary low here. Good morning everyone, this is already becoming pretty risky. But as soon as we get into 87, I'm gonna enjoy putting on break even. Let's go guys, come on. We got to that 87.
Order
Exiting
filled.
5 contracts and putting break even. Increasing a little on my target. I've got room slightly above the 90s. There you go. We're risk-free trading right now with a good target. I'll make a video basically on the new product for the Ticktick trader. It's going to be published after the live stream. The profit score means that you have to achieve 10 points, J Smith. And each 1 point is basically 0.5% in a day of your initial balance. So for the $100,000 account, $500. If you achieve $500 in a day, you get 1 point. That's what you gotta do, only to make that $500. So you have to make $500 for 10 days. If you achieve that, you have 10 points. each day of $500 is giving you 1 point of profit score. I'm out there. Looks like this one got stuck. I'm not able to close my position, guys, for some reason. There was an issue basically with Project X, and I think you saw that. Basically, we eliminated the loss. Exactly, 10 times. And if you don't make that $500, you make, let's say, $200, then you're not gonna get any points for that day. What do you think they limit what you can make? Because you can make $2,000 in a day. It's not an issue. They're not limiting you on how much money you can make in a day. I mean, you can make 2,000 or 3,000 or 5,000 in the day. They don't care about it. They're still going to give you 1 point because that's the maximum you can receive basically in a day. 1 point for that 500. If you make above that 500, you know, it's good for you because you're going to have more drawdown space, more room in your account balance. The withdrawal functions in the following way with a lot of focus on the live transition, guys. So let me share with you. A lot of focus on live transitioning, a lot of it. The maximum you can request from the new accounts, 100K, is $2,000. If you have 10 accounts, that's $20,000. So 90% is what you get, 10% is commission for Ticktick Trader. But out of the 90%, there is a split as well. 50% in cash to you, which means $1,000 per account, up to 10 accounts, $10,000. And 40% is building your live wallet. The whole focus for the this straight to funded pro accounts is with the live wallet, guys. A lot of the focus in this new program is set for the live wallet, to build your live wallet. If you have multiple accounts, then your threshold for the live wallet needs to be 10,000. Once you have 10,000 basically in your live wallet, you can already move to live, and then a lot of the doors will open. Much easier to trade, and it has to be a quite deep explanation on the system from A to Z on how does it work, which is why I said I'm going to explain it in the video. I'll make a video about it. Look at that, guys. We got out at the perfect time. We got out at a perfect time. Look at that one, guys. It's just going to be choppy market until we have the deadline of the tariffs for the 9th of July. Right, so I'm not really expecting for the moment more than a choppiness for the 9th of July. Look at that. Just as I shared with you earlier, guys. We're bouncing here a little bit. That's how much we have been bouncing all the way into the 90s, and then I've told you we're coming down. Perfect, right? Look at that. This has been noted earlier. So this is what we traded to recover our loss. Beautiful. We have one target here, the 970s, and the next target will be the 960s with a daily volume weighted average price. Yeah, when it comes down to the live wallet, you have a lot of advantages, which is why it's worth building your live wallet, because all the straight to funded plus accounts are connected to one live wallet, right? So with all the payouts you're receiving on all the accounts, you're pretty much fueling your live wallet. let me share with you in terms of the live wallet conditions. So $10,000 needs to be made. Needs to be performed basically as a balance to qualify for the live. And that is being built from all the withdrawals you're having on your sim funded stage. You can also move profits from sim to live accounts. It's very interesting. There is a procedure on that one too, but this actually needs a lot of explanations. Alright, so when it comes down to the conditions of live, there is no profit score tracking, no daily loss limit, daily multiple withdrawals are allowed, qualify for profit transfer, and 80 to 20 profit split, right? So no daily loss, no consistency, nothing like that, guys. The live wallet is really strong. You just have to qualify for that. You just have to build it. And you build it by trading. Yeah, that's why I said a clear video. Exactly. Exactly. But a clear video needs to be in order to explain this whole new account model. It's a unique model. For example, you can move funds from your, let's say you have 10 accounts of straight to funded plus. You have 10. And you build your maximum needed balance to move to live. So you build that 10,000, that's what you need. You built it. And you still have your, straight to funded plus accounts. You still have them, but you also have the $10,000 in your live balance required to move to live. So you've got everything ready. Then what you do, you're moved to live, you're trading that live, and your straight to funded plus accounts remain on pause. But you still have them, they remain on pause. And the good part is you will have the ability to transfer profits you have on those accounts into your live account weekly. You can do that by following a procedure, by following certain rules, and I can also share you with those on the video that I'm about to explain you guys. So that's very interesting that you can transfer funds from one side to the other. Very interesting. It's a unique concept. It's kind of hard to explain it if I'm not taking it step by step. We got into the daily opening here, so this could be an interesting approach. Good morning, Tony. Good morning, everyone. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. We've got a Ticktick Trader Cup, as we've got new Ticktick Trader products. Straight to funded plus. Their new product allowing you up to 10 accounts, coming out at $245 per account. You qualify for the first payout once you reach 10 points profit score. Each point requires you to make $500. So you do $500 for 10 days and you get to your payout. It's a very interesting product, guys. And I'm about to trade my accounts. Let me just rename this accounts here and organize them a little bit. So this is the first account. We're gonna rename them like this. First, second, third. We've got 10 accounts ready to be traded. Out of this, the new ones. 6. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna make a video explaining everything in details, because this is a pretty complex model. Pretty complex model with 10 accounts. That is really focusing for your live trading experience. So we got all the 10. I'm not going to copy trade on all the 10. I'm going to copy trade 5. The first one is going to be the leader, and then We're gonna connect the first 5. There you go, look at that.
Order filled.
And we're getting started. I have to do 500 bucks, guys. Here we are. So I only have to do 500 bucks here. Exactly, Badger. They put it at the end, which is not fine. So I'm trading them exactly 5 plus 5. It's much better for defensiveness too. I don't want to be that aggressive. It's not really worth it. I mean, we have a daily loss of 1,500, so look at that. Expecting a reaction here, especially we're speaking about the levels in between the daily opening and the VWAP. Gonna be pretty cautious here. Stop loss on my entry. There's no reason I should lose anything on this one. But this is not easy, guys, to take it all the way into 525 from here, 975. I think we're gonna get stopped out there. I'm actually moving my stop loss away a little. We're too tight. That was a good decision, right? For the moment. That was a good decision. Come on. Now it's 100% on my break even. Let's get to it, guys. We're going to have the first point made on the first 5 accounts. That would be lovely. So only have to do $105,000 for the payout. Totally 5%. It's just that you have to do this 5% by doing 0.5% during 10 days. Keep pushing it a little higher. I'm out
Order
here.
filled.
270 secured. You know, this is half of the target needed, guys. I mean, that's a good way to start with the accounts. That's a good way to start with the accounts. It's half of the profit. And look at that. I was just expecting a retracement. Look at that.
Order filled.
We're backing along here. Let's go, guys.
Order filled.
3 extra points needed from here. 3 points, come on. We had an initial reaction that was quite decent. Exactly. Surely.
Order filled. Order filled.
Time to see the reaction here. And we're gonna get the target of the day. Come on, guys. You only need 3 points. 2 points needed. And we should have a momentum here. Shouldn't be a big deal hitting the target, right? Come on. Look at that. And we get the first profit score. Oh my god. Yeah. That was so close, guys. Look at that. 2 ticks. This might get into the 55 right now. This might get into the 55 right now. That was very unlucky right there. 2 ticks. We just swept the low and the buying pressure stepped in. This is looking beautiful. If this is not getting rejected within the next 30 seconds, and we're speaking about real power, which is easily going to get to the target within the next candles, if not this one. Yeah, consolidation would actually help here because our exit is part of the liquidity existing in the consolidation structure. So I don't think this should be a big... Oh, look at that, guys. It has not been touched, but we were very close to it. Come on. Just a single tick was needed there. A single tick. Not gonna DCA right now, anything. I could, but I'm not gonna DCA. That shouldn't be difficult, guys. Less
Order
than
filled.
2 points. There you go. The target has been touched. 520 bucks, guys. 520 bucks. And we're running the fireworks. That's the way to start off. Beautiful. We got our point. Look at that. Oh. We got our point for the first 5 accounts of Straight to Funded Pro. Or Straight to Funded Plus. How's it called? Straight to Funded Plus accounts. The new accounts on Ticktick Trader. That's beautiful, guys. Look at that. That's the way to start it. Boom. Let me connect the other 5 right now. Let me do this. Connecting the other 5. Look at a chart here. I think this is actually wants to go lower,
Order
guys.
filled.
I'm shorting this. 550 on my target, 945 for the exit. Let's go. This is the other 5 accounts, right? This is the second group of copy trading. Come on. Push this a little lower. 4 points needed there.
Order filled.
We got stopped out there. 225 loss. We got stopped out there. Look at that. Unfortunately, we got stopped out there and the market is dipping. Exactly. Just $500 for the 100K. Let me also see what's happening on the fixed range volume profile line. This one sits a little bit lower, 940s. We should be going a little lower here. So there is a lot to explain around their new straight to funded plus accounts, which is why I'm going to make a specific video, and there's going to be a series of videos because I wanted to talk about some good strategies where you can maximize your chances. That's the idea, guys. Huge discount for 10 accounts. Thank you, by the way, for joining. Make sure to like the video, everyone, to qualify for the payout on the giveaway. Come on, guys. You definitely want to join the giveaway. Make sure to like the video. Let's bring up those numbers. Let's go, guys. Come on. Like the video, be subscribed. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. Look at that. The target would have been touched here, but this is an interesting spot for an entry.
Order filled.
$7.95 would be sufficient for us, covering the realized loss plus the profit needed. I think this is an interesting entry, guys. If it holds, target wouldn't be a big deal. Come on. Good job, Mr. Knife Art. Good job. Good job. Come on. Let's bring it up, guys. Give me some pressure. Above 955 and we're fine. Take that liquidity out. Let's go. 2 points needed. Stop loss on my entry. I sold
Order
3
filled.
contracts there. So we secured basically
Order
covering the
filled.
loss, and we're 45 bucks on profit here. I'm gonna DC if I get a chance to re-enter. I'll buy lower. But it's good we have been eliminating the loss. 942. 945. 944 if I get a chance for that. And 946. Let's go, guys. We're waiting for an entry there. Good luck with that. Come on.
Order filled.
Beautiful.
Order filled.
8 contracts have been filled. Ooh. That's a pretty aggressive sell-off, but we're back here with 560 target. Let's go, guys. Come on. Just a little more.
Order filled.
Target has been touched, everyone. Oh my god. It was not easy. It was not easy, guys. And the fireworks bust. There you go. There you go. So for the 150k, let me do the math for you. Maximum 1,800. Mr. Knife Art. If you do 1,800 for 5 days in a row, you got to your payout. Don't do more than 1,800 because that's going to increase your threshold. Your threshold is on 9,000. It's 6% of the account size. Right on tap on futures. 6% of the account size, which is $9,000. So the maximum you should do 1,800. If you make more than 1,800 in a day, then your threshold is going to increase. Do not make more than that. I don't think it's possible anymore. It was possible back in the day, but I think they changed that. So I only know about the desktop version of Quantower. Maybe some of you guys know. Maybe some of you guys know if it's possible Quantower on web browser. I only know about the desktop version. We're green, Anton. We're green pretty much everywhere on the new accounts on Ticktick Trader that has launched recently, actually a couple of hours ago, up to 10 accounts with straight to funded plus accounts. I'm gonna make a video and explain how it doesn't work, but we are having 10 accounts right there, and we've touched the target on all the 10 accounts. It's only needed $500 a day. It's not bad at all. 500 bucks daily. We're green on all the 10. And then over here as well, we're minus 12 bucks, but I'm gonna work on it right now on tap on futures. Thank you. Everyone, make sure to like the video. We're preparing for the giveaways. Make sure to like. Look at that, guys. We've touched exactly what I've been portraying earlier, the fixed range volume profile line, that's where the reaction came in, so pretty happy with that. Also, make sure, guys, to join my Discord community where we talk about trading. We share some valuable insights as well, present you know, details on the subject. We've got 2 giveaways scheduled for today. Both instant funding, one for Tap One Futures and the other is the Ticktick Trader, the new straight to funded plus accounts. By the way, Tap One Futures is running their massive discount and 55%. So that's a pretty nice moment. $500 daily for 10 days. Exactly, Zill. I also agree with that. Project X is right now delivering the highest quality services. Funded next, not at the moment. $500 daily for 10 days. I'm gonna make a video explaining the whole thing right once we finish the live stream.
Order filled.
We've got 22 minutes to go till the New York market opens. So make sure, guys, to stick with us, like the video, like the presentation. We're having 2 giveaways scheduled for today. Come on, just a little more here for the target.
Order filled.
Four points needed.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm out of 5 points.
Order filled.
Added a little more to this. I hope we're gonna consolidate here and attack the range of consolidation, the highest range point, which is around the 50s. I hope we're not going to continue to slide. Obviously, I'm going to exit, but that's not the point here of going out in a stop loss. This would not be a difficult target of 5 points here to the upside. Beautiful. Come on. Keep going. I'm out
Order
here.
filled.
Fully out. 651 bucks on 4 accounts for top 1 futures. Beautiful, guys. That's beautiful. And that's kind of sufficient right here as well. I'm not going to force it because we've got 10 accounts on Ticktick Trader traded to the profit target, which is just 500 bucks. And now we traded another 4. That's 14 accounts. Profit today. We have no losses. We got no losses. And we're taking it step by step without rushing it. Thank you guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Like the video, bring up the volume, bring up the energy. I'm going to trade this $156,000 alone account here, end of the day. This is the old sim funded of the Ticktick Trader. There are so many accounts right now, I'm getting confused. Think about it. If I'm getting confused, a guy that is actually sleeping in between these accounts, in the details of these accounts and all that stuff, and trying to keep up with the volume, we're getting news every few days. I imagine how confusing this is for the majority of people that are not spending so much time between the details. That's why I'm trying to make videos and give you basically the solutions. Gold is sitting very interesting, trying to compound above 300s, consolidates, and then probably is gonna hunt for the breakout in July. Bitcoin as well is pretty much on the same page. We'll look into the daily candlestick. We kind of see it around the all-time high, very, very close to that with 3 to 4%. So once again, guys, do not forget about our giveaway. We're sharing 2 accounts. We're having 2 giveaways today. 25,000 Top 1 Futures Sim Pro account and a $50,000 Ticktick Trader Straight to Funded Plus account, their new account. We already have it for the giveaway today on the first day of the product in the market. So thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. Be subscribed to my channel. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, doing giveaways daily, and having a great time with the community members.
Order filled. Order filled.
"15 minutes to go till the market opening. One of the targets will remain basically the daily volume weighted average price VWAP and the daily opening, right? There's 2 levels, 957, 970s.
Order filled.
I'm back in my Ticktick Trader old sim funded accounts. I'm trading this one, which is 156 grand.
Order filled.
I could qualify for a payout on this account pretty soon. Like today is very important. That 1,860 is actually going to credit me a significant boost, right? Taking the account close to $158,000. That's yeah, would be a nice reversal here, even consisting about 8 to 9 points. Taking those highs out, these two highs out. And of course, let's not forget about the liquidity existing above this structure. Right here. Some late shorters. Knock them out. And set up a nice bull trap here.
Order filled.
Let's go, guys. Come on.
Order filled.
Five points needed for our target. We've been accumulating into this order. It's constant pressure here. Bulls are missing from monetizing the moves above 43. We've not been successfully monetizing anything above 43 here in this whole structure. End of the day drawdown. End of the day. I don't like this. We have been missing basically, even though we had so many wicks around on the upside. I'm gonna soon accept the loss here if we're breaking below this. But I think this was just a liquidity sweep. Let's see. I'm waiting. Pretty risky out here. I don't want to sit in 15 minis before the US opens. I was thinking to monetize this trade right here. From those moments. We could see a consolidation here of the 5-minute structure. It definitely looks like that for the moment. There is clearly a form of accumulation. The price action is not bearish here. The 1-minute price action. But of course, before the US opening, Look at that 5-minute opening we just had right now, guys. That 5-minute candlestick here. We're printing continuous red candlesticks without any proper reaction. It's just wicks to the upside. Not looking too exciting for me. I'm gonna accept the loss there. It's gonna take me back on the account a little bit, of course. That's 2 days of 1,800. That's how much I'm willing to give away. 2 days of profits. Usually I'm going for the 1,800 here on this account. This is traded alone. This is not copy traded. So I'm going for 2 days of profit targets here, and that's it, right? We got a little lucky right there. Let's see if that one delivers something to the upside. Some liquidity has been grabbed, and it was just a single tick away from my stop loss. Single tick away for the moment. Are we gonna get so lucky to be saved around 1 tick? Very difficult, right? There's not much room here. And any little volatility, guys, is gonna take me out. Pretty bad. Pretty bad. We're missing the energy to reverse.
Order filled.
Nope. Look at this price action. So we stopped out 2 days of profits on this account. We're still 2,580. We have 152,500, right? 2,580 above the original balance, but this is pretty silly here out of this specific accumulation, not to take the highs and then pull back, right? Not to trap any longs and pull back. I'm going to trade this one, which has 151,000. Look at that. 151,425. This is where we are on 15-minute candlesticks. There's also a trending line here for the consolidation structure we have. And this one finds support around the 20s. What a top we have here. It's total flat top. Everyone, make sure to like the video to qualify for the giveaways. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel and join the Discord. We're gonna do the giveaway soon, right? So stick with me and like the videos, fellas. Thank you so much. 4 minutes to go. Here's a Discord that you want to join. We have less than 4 minutes to go. Yes, the 100K Express is no longer available. This is exactly what I needed earlier from the consolidation structure we had. That's exactly what I needed from here. 3 minutes to go, guys, and we're live. Look at that. On 15 minutes, basically, we're reacting to this fixed range volume profile structure. If we confirm bullishness here, then this is a sign of the bull's presence. Very likely we're going to touch basically the daily opening easily today. I mean, it's just around the 70s. Of course, it's not a big deal. Yet that 70s is part of this structure, right? It's crossing it. So if you don't have the worst entry possible, you should touch that. Good morning, fellas. Don't risk anything, of course. It's Monday, and usually the Mondays are not easy to be traded. But today we've been crossing it. We only have a single loss in a single account, and we have 14 profitable accounts, right? So it's 14-1. Especially the 10 accounts on Ticktick Trader. That's very important. They have this new product, and it's very important to start green. Less than 1 minute to go, guys. Make sure to consider your size. Consider your approach towards the market. $30 seconds to go. Bitcoin is reacting to the upside in a minor way, of course. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. Where's the opening bell? Here you go. Look at that. Look at that reaction. We're moving to the upside. So we clearly react on fixed range volume profile line. Look at this going, guys. The indicator just gave me the perfect entry there. All the way to the daily opening. 30 points pump for the moment. Look at that. That's a lovely opening, right? We got rejected from the daily opening.
Order filled. Order filled.
Whoa. There's some aggressiveness right now. The whole thing has been denied. But of course, this is just part of the opening liquidity, not a big deal. No, you shouldn't try to lose the 25 bucks. You're gonna make a little extra above 9,000. You'll have to do $125 above the 9,000. So just 125 bucks needed to be made above the 9,000, and then that 25 bucks is going to be covered. I should have exited earlier, guys, on 64 right there. This can easily get back into the 30s.
Order filled.
Look at that, candlesticks of 15-minute, guys. That's crazy. Wow. They are crazy with this. 920 is on my entry right now.
Order filled. Order filled.
Pretty much swept the low here. Look at that. What a crazy opening of the week. All the way to 920s. Let's see if we get any reaction from
Order
here or
filled.
not. Wow. Stop loss has been touched. That was a terrible move. What is it? 60 points, 70 points. Look at that. 60, 70 points down. That's crazy. Continuing with our top 1 futures. That was a strong flash sale right there. Could get a reaction here and see this 5-minute candlestick pushed all the way. There's 10 seconds to go. Look at that, guys. They're trying to protect the trending line. They're trying to protect this trending line, and they're actually delivering. 25 points, 30 points in the last 10 seconds. Look at this one. There you go. So I'm going to trade my end of the day account on top 1 futures. Crazy opening, guys. Crazy. Wow. Make sure to like the video and be part of the presentation, especially we're going to live stream a giveaway. Pretty wild.
Order filled.
Let's go for a decent target right there into 940s. Starts consolidating on the 1 minute. But I don't like that. We could easily get pretty close to the 900s again for a retest. So I'm gonna exit as soon as we...
Order filled.
Beautiful, $500 made here. That's good. We're building on this account too, which is fresh. But the most important part basically is we got to our SimPro accounts. This is the second cycle. We've got copy traded 4 accounts here. We've made the profit. And of course the 10 accounts on the Ticktick Trader, the sim funded 10 accounts are very important as well. Ten trading days, but basically in your last trading days, if you've touched your target, you only have to flip. You can make even $100 or $50 or, you know, 150 in a day, right? So you're not really needing to do that value every single day for the top 1 futures end of the day account, sim funded account. He's keeping up with a consistency, which means basically he should not cross that value. That's the way he keeps up with the consistency. He's definitely able to make less than that. Sure. Another significant rejection here. We could have an entry around a 13. 9, 13, 12, 10. All the way into hope to get that. Or it looks like we got front run. Looks like we've missed the entry by 1 point. Oh my god, look at that one, guys. We've missed the entry by the first limit buy by 1 point. We had a good setup. It's just the liquidity was not enough We missed the entry there. Let's go, guys, just a little more, and we are starting with the giveaways. 2 giveaways scheduled for today. $25,000 Sim Pro account for the Tap 1 futures, and $50,000 instant funded account of Straight to Funded Plus from the Ticktick Trader, their new account. Make sure to like the video, join the Discord, and be subscribed. Those are the conditions to be part of. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. We've missed the entry by 1 point. Look at that. It went all the way, 30, 40 points. Yep, we're going to have a new video coming out once I finish the live stream. And then we're going to have a video series about their Ticktick Trader new product. It has not been a bad day today, certainly not, especially with the 10 accounts copy traded the first day trading on the new accounts. That's something really exciting. We only need 10 days of $500 each. Yeah, the seconds chart is good for scalping, indeed. If you have skills of price action right there, you can nicely go for some 3 to 4 points easily. $50,000 account. 25 and 50. 75 grand on the table today. Look at that crazy 5-minute reaction on the support trending line of the 15-minute that we have. So the consolidation structure is respecting by increasing the lows. Look at that. Against a flat top. What does it mean when the lows are pressuring the top? Daily volume weighted average price, VWAP, is rejecting us on the 955. Testing a little short here for the Ticktick Trader, doing some micro scalping. I'm out.
Order filled.
$255. That's not bad. You see, making that $500 needed is not a big deal on the new model accounts. Could smell an entry around the 20s. It would be lovely to get it.
Order filled.
One contract has been filled. Finally. I'm deleting the other limit orders and I'm
Order
exiting
filled.
out of this. That's fine, basically. We've made 455 quickly scalping. That's needed over here too. These 4 accounts are 651 on top one. This one end of the day drawdown is 514. And we've got 3 more SimPro that I've not traded today. I've actually traded today $13 plus 4, 17, with another one, 18. 18 accounts between Tap 1 Futures and Ticktick Trader. That's huge. 18 accounts. And I think I'm gonna call it a day at this point. I think I'm gonna call it a day and we're moving on. We're moving on exactly to that part of the live stream that a lot of you are expecting it, guys. Come on, let's go. Let's go, guys. Come on. We are reaching the stage of the giveaway. Everyone listen to me. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's focus a little bit. How do you participate? How do you join? What do you have to do to qualify? Well, number 1, like the video. Let's go, guys. This is the first rule. The second rule is be subscribed to my YouTube channel. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. We're getting started doing giveaways daily. The third thing is you have to join my Discord. You have to be a member of my Discord, where we talk about trading, prop firms, educational materials, and trying to build a helpful community right there, a respectful one with standards. Right, so these are the first 3 things that you got to do to participate. Then the next thing is only 1 guess per person. Do not guess multiple times, only 1 guess per person. Right, so do not guess multiple numbers, only 1 per person, guys. We're gonna still be here for about 15 to 20 seconds till everyone is gonna find it out. Just waiting for a little more people to join and like the video. Come on, guys, let's bring up the numbers. Wait, I will tell you when to get started. Wait. Do not start yet. I will tell you when to get started. Wait. We did not start it yet. Right, so we did not start it yet. Wait. I'll tell you when to get started. Neil is guessing number 7 and number 6, and we're only between 0 and 5, right? So think about it, guys. This is what we're working with. Wait. First giveaway is the first prop firm from the title. The first prop firm from the title is Tap 1 Futures, $25,000 SimPro account. Their second giveaway is Ticktick Trader, $50,000 straight to Funded Plus. Their new product. You gotta wait, guys. You gotta wait. So once again, everyone that joined late, make sure to like the video, be subscribed, and get ready with the numbers. Come on, guys. Prepare with your numbers. Let's get ready. Good luck, everyone. Start. Good luck, guys. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Cheers, everyone. Ticktick Trader putting out a great new product. There you go. $65% off. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Make sure to like the video, otherwise you're not going to be qualifying. This is the first giveaway. Do not leave after the first giveaway ends. We're going to have the second one too. We're going to the second round. There's many people that will guess the same number, which is why we have 2 rounds. There's going to be an interesting second round. You can't even imagine. You can't even imagine what's going to be on the second round. We're gonna have a game. No, we're doing between 0 and 5 for the moment. There you go. That's the end message. Do not write after the end message. This is the first giveaway. We will have one more right once we finish this one, guys. So, are you ready? Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Let's go. Now, I think that's going to be number 3 or number 4. Number 3 on the red, what do you guys think about? Or are we getting to number 4? What do you think about, guys? That's a number 3. That's a number 3 right there for the winners. This is the first giveaway. We're having one more right once we finish. So let's get to the duck race. This is gonna be the final round for the first giveaway. You have to win the duck race. Badger is going to help us with the list. He is quickly scrapping the list. And we are preparing basically. We have 56 winners, guys. Wow. 56 guys that actually guessed the number 3 right there. This is the list, everyone. You guys are going to compete for 2 minutes. You guys are going to have a hard time right here in the duck race. Come on, guys. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. This is the first giveaway. Remember, we're going to have one more. You have to guess the numbers. That's how you join the duck race. We had around 150, 160 at a time. People guessed. 150, 160 viewers at a time people guessed. That's what I saw on my side. You're on the list, buddy. We've got basically the system doing the scrapping automatically, right? So we have a system by Badger which is scrapping the whole list automatically. So there's nothing manual, it's automatically done by a script. Last 10 seconds to go, guys. Who's gonna take the lead? Come on. Look at that. We have Cushy, number 45. There you go. You got the winner. There you go. Congratulations for the Top 1 Futures account, $25,000 Simpro account. Make sure to reach out to me on Discord. Boom. Beautiful. Beautiful. Great. So, let's get to the second giveaway, guys. Come on. Let's get to the second giveaway. Ready for the second giveaway. This is going to be about the Ticktick Trader. Everyone prepare your numbers. Congratulations. Prepare your numbers. We're getting ready for the second giveaway. Let's go, guys. Come on. Start. Good luck, guys. We're going to shuffle the wheel. We're not going to have the same version. Good luck, chat. We got the markets all the way to 975. All the way to 975. Let's go. Come on, guys. For those of you that have joined late, in order to qualify and participate, make sure to like the video, be subscribed, and join Discord. These are the conditions for participation. Like the video, be subscribed, and join Discord. Come on, guys. Guess the number. Keep going, guys. Just a few more seconds. There you go. That's the end right there. Beautiful, guys. That's the end right there. So we're going to shuffle this one a few times. Come on. There you go. This is the final way. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Second giveaway for the Ticktick Trader account, $50,000 straight to funded plus. Is it gonna be that yellow 5? Or this is gonna stop on number 4? What do you guys think about? That's gonna stop on number 4. There you go. That's the number 4. That's the winner, number 4. This is not usually an enjoyed number. This is not usually a guessed number. We had 56 earlier. Now, we're gonna find out more on the new list coming in from Badger. With people qualifying. There you go. 42 winners. 42 winners on the list with number 4. You guys are going to compete for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's shuffle the characters a few times and get ready for the second giveaway of the day. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, and talk to you tomorrow, guys, 8 a.m. EST times for those of you that are exiting. That is massive. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Come on. Good luck, everyone. This is pretty difficult. We got the numbers scrapped automatically, fellas. Let's go. You can put in all the numbers, of course. Even above 5, you can put 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's not going to bother anyone. Maybe even twice the same number, right? You might be having 2 ducks or even more. Let's go. 20 seconds. Keep going. Keep going, guys. Come on. Boom. We've got Ray BTC Panda. Number 25 is the winner, Ray BTC. There you go. Zill, you got the second right there. You've been very, very close to that. Congratulations, guys. However, we're running some fireworks. And the explosion right there. Beautiful, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me here. Looking forward to it. We'll talk to you tomorrow, 8 a.m. EST time, continuing with our trading, but at the same time, we're going to publish a video today on the new Ticktick Trader accounts. We're going to publish that video on the new Ticktick Trader accounts for a full explanation and have a video series about the whole thing, right? So make sure to follow my channel a little later today. Talk to you soon, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Badger, for helping us. And looking forward to it tomorrow.